Once again, it is time for our stretch and flex exercise of the week, where we'll be going over our TKE. This exercise is primarily used as a warm-up before any sort of knee joint dominant exercises, where it will primarily warm up your quadriceps. Start by acquiring a heavy resistance band, where you will then tie it around a stable structure at knee height, ensuring that it's not too high or not too low, where you will then drive your knee forward, try to bring it past your toes, and then fully extend your leg in order to activate the quadricep muscles. I recommend anywhere between 10 to 15 repetitions, and also including an isometric hold where you extend the leg and hold that position for around 3 to 5 seconds to activate a little bit more of those motor units. Next, you can perform a plantar flexion and dorsiflexion, or a calf raise, and then coming up on your heels where your toes would be pointed towards your shin in order for you to activate a little bit more ankle musculature.